energy slash, or you can say amplitude as well. It is a reduction in the energy amplitude of oscillations by resistive forces. Of oscillation by resistive forces. One example that I love to give to my students, because that helps them a lot, is let's say you're sitting on a swing and you start off strong. You have a very fast swing in the beginning, but then if you do not give any push in the middle of the swing, you'll see how it gradually dies out and it then comes to a halt, right? That is what damping is. There are resistive forces, there's air resistance, and then there's you can have water resistance in water, and also you can have friction, etc. as well, right? Now this is what damping was. Or you can also think of it when you have an oscillation. Let's say you have a pendulum and then you start moving it, you'll see how it gradually comes to a stop because of the resistive forces, that is air resistance in this case. Now we will be looking at 3 kinds of damping, but before that we will be looking at 3 kinds of oscillations, right? What is oscillation, what 3 kinds of oscillations are. So I'll just draw and then we'll see. Number 1 is what are the 3 kinds of oscillations. So first up we have free oscillation. You'll see why we're doing oscillations first and then damping, because it will then have a more link between them. Free oscillations. Okay, I'll type this out so that it's faster that way. Okay, so free oscillations, I'll say, what are free oscillations? It is when an object vibrates at its natural frequency. It is when an object vibrates at its